Winnowing is a method developed in olden days for separating grains from chaff. Here you can see a person using the same technique. Winnowing is the method of separating heavy and light substances from a mixture of both by using wind. Winnowing is the method of separation of substances mostly used to separate wheat from the chaff by wind. Why do we use winnowing and not handpicking? We use winnowing in this case because handpicking of very small particles is almost impossible. That's why we use winnowing. Winnowing takes the advantage of wind to take away the lighter particles while the heavier particles stay in the same place. Here you can see a woman. She is using the process of winnowing to separate the two small particles. As you can see here, the lighter particles are flying away while the heavier particles are just falling down. Click here if you want to watch my next video about sieving. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give a big fat thumbs up. And if you have any questions, be sure to comment down below. And if you want to see my upcoming videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And that's it guys. Winnowing out.